You'll need a glass, a piece of paper, some tape, scissors, and a piece of ripe fruit. Start by readying some pieces of tape, and then roll the piece of paper into a cone shape. Test the cone inside the glass. It should protrude downward, but leave a couple inches of space at the bottom. There should be a small hole at the point of the cone, just larger than a fly. Apply the tape to hold the cone in its shape. Place a piece of ripe fruit at the bottom of the glass. I used a fig torn in half. Place the cone back into the glass and tape all the way around the rim. Then cut above the tape to make it nice and flat. Place the trap where your fly problem is, and within an hour or two, your problem will be gone.